In this tutorial I will show you how to change the set point limit on your controller. In this particular instance, if you're using the set point and you're pressing, say, the up or down arrow key, and this may be locked at a particular set point. In this particular case, mine is locked at 100 and I cannot go above 100. I may need to change that value to 200 degrees. To do that, I will need to enter level 3. To enter level 3, press and hold the page key and continue holding the page key until level 3 appears. When code 0 appears, enter number 3. Using the page key, press the page key in and out to advance through the list until you see SP. Press the scroll key a few times until you see set sp.high, which is set point high limit, and you can see this is at 100. By changing that using the up arrow key, say to 200 for this example, I can now exit from here using the page and the scroll keys back to our normal screen, and now by pressing the up arrow key this will allow me to advance my set point, and this is now locked at 200. To exit level 3, press and hold the page key and press the down arrow key back to level 1.
For more information and instructional videos, please visit Eurotherm.com. Thanks for watching.